Alright, guys, I hope you guys can't hear the stream I'm watching in the background. I'm watching a stream from one of my favorite YouTubers. But if you look at the bottom, at my boxes, look what we got. I got this from just doing random stuff. But when I hit, alright, so first, major achievement. If I go to my battle, match settings, look at this. I got the Republic to the maximum league. And when I got that, I got this box. I got this box. 1,599 minis total. 45 epics. 4 legendaries. Do you know how rare these boxes are? The only other way to get these boxes is to like beat 3-10 on hard mode in the campaign. Or if you really want to shill out 5,000 diamonds. Which basically means that you spent real money buying diamonds. This is hard to get. You don't just get this stuff for free, bro. Well, I guess you do get it for free, because I just got one for free right now. Awesome. Awesome. Just amazing. Oh wait, whoops, wrong.
Hey Daily, I hope you see my aunt just died from cancer and watching it makes me feel joy. Oh, Gaming God, I'm so sorry to hear that, dude.
And then I get these season rewards.
I hope you're doing okay.
The cool thing about this is that this box contains minis found in your active armies. I really like that. I really like that because that means all of them are useful. So yeah, I got the Republic.
There we go, got it.
Where's the battle set? I got the Republic all the way to the Elite League. And the Empire and the Dominion are close behind. Empire 91%, Dominion 90.2%. So yeah, I just wanted to say this in a video. I'll just play the replay of the game that got me here. I got carried by this guy right here, Alejandro 33. I think I'm pronouncing that wrong. I'm pretty sure. Anyway, this guy 33, level 100, maximum, already elite. Look at how high level his stuff is. Like, look at his commons. Commons level 35, 33. That's almost, his stuff is almost max. All of his stuff is almost max.
Are you mad at me?
Like, the maximum level for commons is 40. The maximum level for rares is 30. And his rares are almost level 30. For the most part. The maximum for epics is 20. Look at that. He has level 16 Zeppelin and level 14 base. And the maximum for legendaries is 10. And he has a level 6 legendary. Look at that honor
I'm
contribution.
leaving the stream right now. See you later, emails. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.
Look at that donations. This guy's been playing for a long time. So thanks. Although you did just kind of set me back on the Dominion like one fight ago. Alright, let's watch this. Oh, Jesus Christ. Subscribe to them. Alright, there we go.
Give me a yes in chat if you agree to let me go into peaceful mode for just a second. Press no in chat.
No. No peaceful for you, Daily.
What do you guys think?
No peaceful for you, Daily. Oh, my bad. I'm watching. I forgot this thing was on.
Don't. No. No.
Yeah.
No. Yes. 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 Yes.
All right.
Yes.
All right, here we go.
No. fight for it back.